Welcome back to ClearTask. If your Microsoft Word document has a black background and you need it to be white, here is how you can quickly fix it. There are two main reasons this happens, so let us go over both solutions. The first method is checking your page color settings. Open your Word document and look at the ribbon at the top. Click on the Design tab. Look over to the far right side and find the page color option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select no color or choose the white color box. Your page should instantly turn white. If that did not work, your Microsoft Word is likely set to dark mode, which automatically turns the canvas black to reduce eye strain. To keep the dark interface but make the page white, go to the View tab at the top. Look for the dark mode section and click the button that says Switch Modes. This will toggle your page background back to white while keeping your menus dark. If you prefer to turn off dark mode entirely, click on File in the top left, then go down to Account. Under Office Theme, click the drop-down box and change it from black to colorful or system setting. That is all it takes. Your Word document is now back to normal. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.